Okay, Professor Jim Schultz here with my Finance 680 students. As promised, I wanted to go ahead and cut this new video from the Chapter 16 material that you guys are studying. And I took a look at the videos you guys already have at your disposal from previous semesters. And I thought going over this, I guess this would be number 4 from the spring 2014 exam. I feel like this is a good addition to the problems you guys already are working on, because this one's a little bit different. It's actually pretty simple in terms of what you need to do mathematically to solve the problem, but it's not simple in terms of how you need to approach it. And so I thought it would be a good problem to go through. So let's go ahead and go through this problem. You have this company, Pewter and Glass. They're an all-equity firm, and they're in the process of borrowing $600,000. So they're in the process of becoming a levered firm. They are right now an unlevered firm. The key to this entire problem is in the final sentence. What is the value of this firm if you ignore taxes? Because if you remember from what we talked about in class, in a world with no taxes, the value of the unlevered firm and the value of the levered firm are going to be the same. If you remember those the pie model that I put on the board, you remember us talking about you have two pies. It does not matter how you slice them up in terms of debt and equity. Their total value, their total size is not going to change. So once you recognize that, it makes this problem a lot more tangible to attack. Okay, so I can either find the value of the unlevered firm or I can find the value of the levered firm. It's going to be much, much easier. In fact, it may not even be possible to find the value of the levered firm. So we're going to find the value of the unlevered firm. Since the value of the unlevered firm is by definition all equity, all you have to do is find the value of the equity, and you have the value of the unlevered firm. So remember, if you remember, the value of the market value of equity is found by taking the number of shares outstanding times the current share price. Okay? So we have in the problem the number of shares outstanding are 80,000, which is right here. Now we need to figure out the share price. Well, the problem tells me that when this firm borrows 600,000, it's going to repurchase 12,000 shares. That is the capital restructuring that we talked about in class. So from that information, you can actually back out what the current share price must be. If this firm is going to borrow 600K and they're going to buy back 12,000 shares, they must be doing that at $50 a share. So this must be the current price of the stock. So now you can simply take 80,000 times 50, which gives you $4 million. That is the value of this firm when it is unlevered. And since we are in a world with no taxes, the value of the unlevered firm and the value of the levered firm must be equal. So I hope this problem was helpful for you. As I said to lead off, I really feel like this is a good addition in terms of what you guys are already starting. I feel like it adds a little bit of diversification to use a financial term. So I'll see you guys next time.